Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this chopped salad. Absolutely fresh, delicious, and healthy for you. Now the ingredients I use in my chopped salad is romaine lettuce, a very fresh romaine lettuce. I'm going to rinse this, make sure there's no grit or sand on it. But if you'd like to use green leafy lettuce, red leafy lettuce, or even kale or spinach, you be my guest. Or even a mixture would be fine too. The other ingredients is a red bell pepper. If you want to use green or yellow, that's fine. Broccoli, an avocado, Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whole tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, whichever tomatoes you'd like to use, that's going to be fine. We're going to use fresh corn. I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes. A cucumber, a red onion, cilantro, and I love the smell of fresh herbs. Now you're probably saying it's herbs, but really in England they say herbs, but in France they say herb. For the dressing, I'm just using fresh lemon juice along with an extra virgin olive oil first cold press. Let me show you how we're going to put this lovely, fresh, chopped salad together. First, clean our lettuce. Make sure there's no sand or grit. Once you clean your lettuce, you're going to line here on a paper towel, as you can see right here, or a tea towel. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll this up just like this, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for the next half hour to make sure we have this lovely, crisp romaine lettuce. To prepare the corn, dampen some paper towels. Put your corn here in the center, roll it up, and this goes in the microwave for 3 minutes. Be sure to use your timer. All right, 3 minutes are up. Let your corn cool while your lettuce chills. I'm adding my romaine lettuce. I'm tearing it apart, but if you want to go ahead and chop it, you may. And I love the texture that gives. You're looking for 8 to 10 cups. For the cherry tomatoes, I'm cutting horizontally, and then I'm just cutting them in half. And this is going to equal about a half a cup. You can cut them into your desired shapes or pieces that you like. Add them over here to the side of your lettuce. I take off strips of my cucumber so I can have this multicolored looking cucumber. I'm going to just chop this down into desired pieces. Remember, this salad gets its name, chopped salad, because of the way that you chop your vegetables to add to it. So any way you want to chop your vegetables to add to this salad is fine with me. Now we're going to add this to our salad right here by the tomatoes. Oh, and everything is smelling so yummy and looking so fresh and delicious. We're looking about for a half a cup of our broccoli florets. Again, we're going to chop them down into our desired pieces. Add this to the top of our salad, right over here by the tomatoes, and voila! I'm just cutting that corn right off the cob, and this is going to be so lovely and fresh in our vegetarian chopped salad. I'm going to add it right here beside these lovely cucumbers, and I just want to try a little piece. Oh wow, lovely, fresh, lovely, sweet corn on the cob. We've got to add some red onion. Look how beautiful that is on the inside. Chop it into small pieces. We're just looking for some flavor here, about 2 tablespoons. In with the red onion. Woo, and that's looking fantastic. One beautiful and colorful chopped salad. Red bell pepper, and look how beautiful these are. They're absolutely gigantic. And the secret to buying your red bell peppers is the larger, the redder, the better. Really giving my bell peppers a chopping. Now remember, the larger the red bell pepper, the sweeter it's gonna be. Now this is time to add to the top of that salad. Next, the avocado. We're just gonna go in a singular motion until we get down into that seed. We're just gonna peel it off, and I like to remove my skin just like this until it's all off of my avocado. I like to cut my avocados down in cubes, as you can see what I'm doing here. And you can line them up and make them into cubes. That way when you bite into that chopped salad, you can really get a great taste of your cubed avocados. All right, now these are off for that salad. Last, we're going to add some fresh cilantro to the top of our chopped salad, about a tablespoon. That looks fantastic. Look how beautiful and lovely this salad is. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on the top. I'm going to slice our fresh lemons in half and add the juice. Be sure to get in there with a fork to really loosen up that lemon juice. This doesn't look like it has any seeds, but make sure you hold your hand underneath to catch the seeds in case they were to be in your lemons. But sometimes you just buy a lemon and there's no seeds, and lucky for me, no seeds in this lemon today. We're gonna add the other half, add a little salt. If you'd like to omit it, you may. Add a little fresh cracked pepper. Add as much or as little as you wish. Time to toss it. Tossing this salad is so lovely and fresh, and I can smell the cilantro and the cucumbers. Gotta give this fantastic chopped salad a try. The time we've been waiting for. Wow. Look at those avocados, that romaine lettuce, those slices of red onion, broccoli. Test. Gotta get a little romaine lettuce, a little bit of onion, tomato, an avocado. Healthy, fresh. The cilantro comes through beautifully. It screams fresh, delicious summertime salad. And if you could smell this salad, it is win-win all the way. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Be sure to leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Hope y'all give this a try. Thanks a million for watching. I think you're gonna love this chopped salad as much as I do. I'll catch you lovely people later.